Hello friends, hope you're doing well. Just had my introductory session on international economics on kMiv tutorials today. And to tell you, I'm really excited because I think I learned quite a lot. Well, over the last few decades, there has been a greater interdependence between economies than ever before due to fragmentation and outsourcing of production processes, increasing mobility of people, international capital flows, and flexible exchange regimes. International economics initiates students to these changes in the global economic scenario by combining current research and new perspective with conventional theoretical wisdom. Complementing trade theories with relevant trade empirics, this subject analyzes a wide range of policy issues in the present wave of globalization relating to product standards and regulations, impact of environment on trade, labor and quality standards, bilateralism, regionalism, and multilateralism, with a focus on debate at the World Trade Organization. The growing expansion of service exports and the linkages between trade and inclusive growth. Well, I guess there is much more to study because subject seems to be very interesting since I've started learning with kMiv tutorials. We'll tell you in detail also, but if you want to explore it by yourself, then all you have to do is to log into kmivtutorials.com. Thank you, bye-bye.